Are you tired of clutter taking over your home? Looking for a fun and festive way to declutter and give items you don't use a second life? Then consider an annual White Elephant holiday party. It's a blast decluttering your home and bringing in your treasures for a White Elephant gift exchange. Wrap your items up fancy and have a hilarious time stealing and swapping gifts. You never know what hidden gems you might find that someone else will love. If you're looking to sell your home next year, then get a head start on decluttering, so your home will show at its best. If you're looking, first impressions are everything.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about real estate in Las Vegas, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.